Dear scholars, through this video I am going to explain lesson number 2.7 Yonamin and Bushi. Yonamin and Bushi, these are the characters from this story where Yonamin is a girl and Bushi is a boy. This is the story how Yonamin marries Bushi. Moreover, how she teaches Bushi a lesson. So, without talking about this much, let's begin learning the actual story. Yonamin Chiru was the most admired girl in Okinawa. She was intelligent, tall, strong, big and beautiful. And most important of all, she was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. It is what in the first paragraph the qualities of Yonamin explained. So what are those? At first she lived in Okinawa, her native place, and here are her qualities, that is intelligent, tall, strong, big and beautiful. Moreover, she was well trained in karate. Second paragraph, when it was time to get her married, her father was a rich merchant. Yonamin's father was a rich merchant, began to worry. He loved his daughter and wanted her to be happy and well cared for. She was beautiful and she would inherit a fortune. Fortune, wealth. Inherit, simply she was going to get wealth, property from her father. So that is inherit a fortune from him. But where, oh where, could he find a young man who would come forward to marry a woman who was stronger than him? It is what Yonamin's father, who was a rich merchant, still he was worried about his daughter's marriage, because Yonamin was so stronger in karate and he had a question that who would marry her. She was beautiful, she was going to get wealth, fortune, but the one more important thing was there, that was her strength, her skillfulness in karate. Further, in this paragraph, Yonamin's idea about her marriage given. Let us see. Yonamin had her own ideas about marriage. She declared firmly, I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight. It is what she was well trained in karate, she was very much strong, and so she wanted to marry a person who would be better than her, who would beat her, who would defeat her in a fair fight. Further, surprisingly, many young men picked up the challenge of defeating Yonamin to marry. So picked up the challenge and came forward to fight her. After all, she was a beautiful girl with a fortune. She was very beautiful, and young men knew that she would get fortune, wealth. So many tried. Many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. That is simply a fight with Yonamin. Further, one of the first to ask her hand was Kojo. The first man who came forward was Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamin. So these are his qualities, that he was bigger and stronger than Yonamin. Further, he was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels. Shovels, it is one of the tools which is used to move sand. Shovels. So his hands were like shovels. His legs resembled means looked like. His legs looked like tree trunks. But he played foul, means everything was useless. Even as Yonamin was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect, what he did? To one's opponent, he threw a punch at her. Means before simply bowing to Yonamin, he directly punched her, breaking the rules of game. Yonamin was angry with that. She caught hold of his arm, twisted it so powerfully that the unsportive Kojo fell down in a heap and had to walk with difficulty. It is what in this paragraph there are qualities of Kojo given and how he was defeated by Yonamin. It was added further. Many promising young wrestlers tried their hand, but Yonamin defeated them all. Her father was in despair, hopelessness, disappointment. His father was completely disappointed that whether he would get a man to marry his daughter. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. It is these are the general expectations. But who would marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? It was a question. That is what Yonamin enjoyed wrestling. So who would marry her? It was the question at that time. Further, Bushikiyo was just such a man. He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. Sakugawa was his teacher, his trainer. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. It is what Bushikiyo was well trained by karate master Sakugawa. Bushikiyo was well trained, he was very strong, and because of that he was appointed as personal bodyguard of Shoko. Shoko was the king of Okinawa. His friend said to Bushi, "You should take on the challenge of this girl Yonamin. She may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her." Bushi too was keen to marry a girl like Yonamin. He did not want a delicate, fragile girl for a wife. Fragile means again delicate. "I shall fight with her and win over her," he decided. It is what he himself wanted to marry such a strong girl. Moreover, his friends, Bushi's friends, told him that Yonamin was better for him to marry, and so he decided to win Yonamin, to marry Yonamin by defeating her. Yonamin was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. That was Bushi. She had heard that he was one of King Shoko's personal warriors. He was tall and slim. So here are some more qualities of Bushi. Bushi was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable, unmovable. Above all, he had dark, piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. Bushi was slim, tall, he had dark, piercing eyes, he was fearless, he was straightforward. Further, the wrestling match began. The match between Yonamin and Bushi. Yonamin and Bushi bowed to each other and then began to attack each other in earnest. Means seriously they started fighting with each other. They punched, kicked and twisted using their best techniques. It looked as if the match was going to be a tie because nobody winning, nobody losing. Both were fighting with the same skills, same power. So it was not possible to guess who would win. So simply the spectators were thinking that it would be a tie. Further, but at a crucial moment, crucial, important, in the fight, Yonamin paused ever so briefly. In the same fight, Yonamin suddenly paused. She stopped. Bushi took advantage of the moment and brought her down with a swift punch. As she stopped, Bushi punched her, and because of that, she was brought down by Bushi. Simply, Bushi won the match. Yonamin's father was a very happy man. So when Yonamin's father saw that she got defeated, he became happy because he came to know that his daughter Yonamin was going to marry. Bushi and Yonamin were married in a splendid ceremony, great ceremony. They got married. So till now we came to know about who was Yonamin, what was her idea about marriage, who was her father. Then we came to know about Kojo, who tried or who had asked Yonamin's hand first. Then we came to know about Bushi Kiyo, and further we came to know about how was the fight between Yonamin and Bushi, how she got defeated, and because of that she married with Bushi. Further, how Yonamin teaches lesson to Bushi, that we have to learn. So we will learn the further story through the next video. I hope whatever explanation for the story we discuss in this video, I hope you might have got the explanation.